right, so to complete your assignment, you're going to go to your activity section and you need to make sure that you review 4.03 civil rights. That is the actual lesson for that assignment. In this lesson, you will be completing all the reading on here. It talks about what are civil rights, what are civil liberties. It also talks about equal protection, which is something that is mentioned also in the project directions. So you need to review everything on here. Once you're done with all this, with this whole lesson, you're going to go to your directions for the activity. You are going to create a presentation about civil rights then and now. So the only thing I want you to ignore right now is this second bullet that it says that it needs to be about you. I believe that was a typo, so we're just going to skip that part, but pretty much everything else is correct. You're going to create a project about civil rights and whether true equal protection has been provided. So as you go through the directions, it asks you to choose one of the civil rights groups to focus on. So for example, women, people of color, religious minorities, the LGBTQIA community, etc. Now, it also explains to you what to do slide by slide. So the first slide of your PowerPoint needs to have a title, and you need to include your full name as well and a relevant photo about that topic that you chose. Then it tells you what to do for the other slides. You should have a total of about 11 slides, okay? 11 slides, maybe 9, because if actually no, 11 slides altogether, because you will slide 2 and 3 will have background information, so you should have 2 slides about that, and then slides 4 and 5 will also have things that are related to equal protection. Okay, so make sure you review each bullet and you include that in each of the slides. Okay, now some helpful information. Use this site, so you're going to click on that link and it's going to tell you how to cite your sources. That's going to help you. And it kicked me out. Let me go back. It tells you to use that site to cite your work. You can try that or you could do it on your own. I know I've recommended easybib.com. That's something that you can use. So make sure that you are citing your sources. Things need to be in your own words, okay? Now, don't forget, make sure you are reviewing the rubric and that you are following all the steps in the rubric, okay? That you are including those specific things for each slide. Make sure you are including colors and images and that you're using proper punctuation, grammar. Make sure you're spell checking your work and your sources are included, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this was helpful.